Hey everyone, we're back again with another authentic Thai recipe direct from our restaurant kitchen in Chiang Mai, Thailand. Today we're cooking Krapow Gai Sai Nor Mai. Krapow is a fiery aromatic Thai stir-fry featuring Thai hot chili and fresh holy basil. It's seasoned with a savory umami-rich sauce made from soy sauce, oyster sauce, and garlic. Traditionally served over steamed jasmine rice and topped with a crispy fried egg, it is a beloved, fast-paced street food classic known for its perfect balance of spicy, savory, and herbal flavors. In this recipe today, we'll use chunky chicken meat, some delicious bamboo shoots, and not too much chili. Okay, let's watch Warrawood cook it, and I'll explain. Heat about 1 tablespoon of oil in a wok or frying pan over low to medium heat. Add chopped Thai chili and garlic and let it fry until fragrant. He's using just a little chili, so this dish will not be too spicy. You can add more or less according to your tastes. Add the chicken meat and stir it into the mixture. Keep the heat low so the garlic doesn't burn. You'll need to cook the chicken until it's well browned. Don't forget that you can now book private cooking lessons with our chef in Thailand on either Zoom, FaceTime, or in person at our location in Chiang Mai. Visit chiangmaicookingschool.com for more info. Next, add about 1/2 cup of water. Add the dry seasonings, oyster sauce, and soy sauces. Stir well and let it boil for a few minutes. If you love Thai food but still have trouble saying the names of your favorite dishes, why not give ActiveThai.com a try? At Active Thai, you can learn to read, write, and speak Thai. Try it out today for free. Add the cut bamboo shoots and bring back to a boil, stirring often. When the sauce is thick and sticky, add some sweet red pepper and the holy basil leaves. Toss everything well and turn off the heat. This is enough for 2 servings. Serve over jasmine rice or with the rice on the side. Now, let's talk about our ingredients. We're using about 100 grams of chicken leg meat, skin removed and cut into chunky pieces. A large handful of bai krapow, also known as holy basil leaves. 1 cup of bamboo shoot, cut or sliced into random pieces. 2 teaspoons of chopped garlic. 1 teaspoon of chopped Thai chili. 1/2 teaspoon of Thai light soy sauce, 1/2 teaspoon of Thai dark soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce, and 2 teaspoons of sugar. 1/2 teaspoon of roti chicken and 1/2 teaspoon of MSG are optional and are added for extra flavor. You can leave them out and it will still taste great. Our contact information, websites, social medias, and complete recipe library are available online. Just follow the links in the video description below. Thank you and enjoy!